Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine at home. This is Sabia Sultana Shoshi, your English teacher with you, and welcome you all to the English class. In our previous class, we completed Unit 22, right? And today we will start Unit 23, that is Stay Safe. And this unit is about natural disaster. Do you know what is natural disaster? Well, natural disaster is an unexpected natural event such as flood, earthquake, cyclone, river erosion, etc. that causes great damage or loss of life. Now, look at the pictures here. These are the pictures of some natural disaster. In picture 1, you can see a ruined area. Can you guess the disaster? Yes, it's an earthquake. It's a massive earthquake. And in picture 2, you can see a huge wave is coming from the sea, and all the things are washed away by this. Can you guess this disaster? Well, it's the tsunami. And in picture 3, you can see the water rotating in the sea. And this is cyclone. And finally, in picture 4, there is the image of river erosion, and you can see that the soil is breaking down, right? So these are the picture of some natural disaster. And in the next page, there is a dialogue. So let's read it, and please look and listen very carefully. Okay? So, Anita: Officer, we heard about the earthquake in Nepal. It was terrible. Yes. Asad: Yes, I am very sad about it. Anita: I am afraid. There are many disasters in the world. Last month, we lost some of our land because of river erosion, and last year, a cyclone destroyed many buildings and trees. What's next? Officer: Well, the TV news can tell us about cyclones, and we can often see the signs of river erosion. So far, no one knows when the earthquake will happen. Asad: What can we do? Officer: You shouldn't worry too much. You can prepare for natural disasters. Here is a leaflet. Okay, so this is the passage. And in the next page, you can see the picture of some batteries, torch, first aid kit, and dried foods. And all these things are necessary in the time of natural disaster. Okay, so we noticed that in the passage there are 3 speakers, and they are Anita, Asad, and Officer, and they talked about earthquake in Nepal. And earthquake, cyclone, and river erosion are the name of some natural disasters mentioned in this passage. And we learned that Anita lost some of the land because of river erosion. Besides, a cyclone destroyed many buildings and trees last year. But TV news can tell us about cyclone, and we can see the sign of river erosion too. So we can be prepared for this disaster. Okay, and what are the officer's advice? Okay, officer told Asad not to worry too much, and we can prepare for natural disaster. So this is all. That is all about the unit. And there are some exercise and activity task for you in the lecture sheet, which is already uploaded in the school website, and I will request you all to complete all the tasks. Okay, so thank you all for being with me, and see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and stay well.